Yo, what is up, all my people? I hope you guys are all having a great day. Anyways, guys, today I'm going to be showing you this coolest way to get Spotify Premium for absolutely free, guys. So you'll be able to get Spotify Plus downloaded on your phone. But guys, before we get into that, I'm just going to let you guys know that this video is being uploaded on Walker Tommy 1, guys. This is my channel, and the video is going to be uploaded on this channel. So if you see it on another channel, if you see this video on another channel, because people download my video and upload on another channel, if you don't see it on this channel, Walker Tommy 1, then that is not me. Do not watch the video. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna be giving away this AirPods for free and this MacBook Pro for free, guys, so you guys can have a chance to win a MacBook Air Pro and these AirPods for absolutely free, guys. And once again, this is my channel. This is where the video is gonna be uploaded on, Walker Tommy 1. I am Walker Tommy 1. Anyways, in the video, I'll be leaving a link below, guys, on how you can get Spotify Premium for absolutely free, so you can get Spotify Plus downloaded on your phone. So go ahead to the link below, and that will link to another channel. But yeah, guys, and yeah, that will be me, so you guys will know. If you're watching the video and it's on Walker Tommy 1, then this is safe. It's a green flag, guys. Go ahead and yeah, just continue with that. But yeah, guys, this is definitely 100% working, guys. I'm just gonna show you really quick a sneak peek of my Spotify app. As you guys can see, I do have premium. Look at that, subscription premium. So yeah, guys, right there is proof that I have Spotify Premium on my phone. Let me just show you guys again, just in case you think it's a picture. I should have done that in the first place. Alright, guys, look at that. So this is my real account. Scrolling, account, boom. So yeah, guys, that's 100% real. And once again, guys, like I said, if you want to know how I did that and got Spotify Plus for free, go to the link below, and the tutorial will be in the comments pinned. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it on how I got Spotify Plus. But now, if you want to know about the giveaway, I'll be giving away a free pair of AirPods, brand new, anyone can win. And yeah, amazing wireless headphones. And anyone can win this. Just comment down below if you want to have a chance to enter, and I'll be picking a user randomly. And I'll be giving away this MacBook Air Pro. I'll wipe out the computer so it's like brand new, and you'll start off fresh with your full hard drive. I think it's 500 gigs. And yeah, you can probably run some games on it. I'm not sure if you can run like, you know, probably be able to run like CSGO or whatever, but you won't be able to run like anything like GTA 5, for example. But or you'll probably be able to run like Minecraft. Either way though, it's good for work, school, or entertainment, whatever, you know, if you want to watch some porn or something like that. I don't know. Do whatever you guys want. But anyways, guys, AirPods, MacBook Air, Apple sweepstake giveaway, guys. You don't want to miss out on this. Just comment down below. And once again, guys, if you're watching this video and it's not on this channel, Walker Tommy 1, then click off. It's not real. But don't be mistaken though, because when I do link the video down below, the tutorial, it's gonna be a different channel, so that's okay. But if this video you're watching right now is not on Walker Tommy 1, then it's a red flag. Do not watch the video, guys. It's fake. So yeah, guys, that's exactly pretty much it for the video. And yeah, I'm done rambling, guys. I don't want to waste any more of your time. Go ahead and get Spotify Premium for free right now, guys. Link below, tutorial down below, guys. Go ahead. I'll leave a pinned comment. Go watch it. It'll take you a couple minutes. It's really easy. I've done it many times for many people. And yeah, I don't want any of you guys to miss out on this. So yeah, guys, take advantage of this opportunity, and peace out.